I have a TH9421C1004 thermostat connected to a THM5421C equipment interface module. My TH9421C1004 thermostat screen locked up and will not accept any touchscreen input. I took the same model thermostat from my other unit and plugged it into this unit and everything works great, so I need to replace my defective thermostat. As this thermostat is a discontinued model, can you recommend a replacement model that I can use to connect to my THM5421C EIM fix this issue?
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Specific to the thermostat. I plugged in the thermostat from my other unit and the system works great, so I'm assuming something is wrong with the touchscreen on this thermostat.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, if I can obtain a replacement module that will work with my current system. The TH9421C1004 thermostat is a 3-wire model.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Not that I'm aware of at the moment.
The replacements are readily available even on Amazon. Have you tried their Click Here?
What model thermostat can I use with my current system, without having to change the EIM and using the current 3-wire system?
Did you click the blue highlight that says Click Here?
I saw my current model thermostat on Amazon, but the prices are $400 plus for these discontinued units. Is there a less expensive model that will work?
Okay, so you know they are available. The real question is, where can I get a 3-wire thermostat to work with my EIM cheaper? So any 3-wire compatible as long as it is not $400?
One of the sites listed the Vision Pro 8000 as a replacement unit for less than half the price as the discontinued model. I have not been able to determine if this unit works with my current THM5421C EIM. Was hoping you could assist me in finding a newer model that works.
Just a moment, please. Okay, I do not see the 8000 listed with a data port. The data ports, like yours, talks back and forth to run the equipment at highest efficiency. The other thermostats use more traditional on/off operation. What equipment is attached to the EIM? Furnace, AC, humidifier, dehum, ERV?
Not sure what equipment is attached, other than the furnace and AC.
Can you tell me what terminals are used in the EIM? The data thermostats control humidity, dehum, heat, cool fresh air, etc. I just want to make sure what feature, if any, we would sacrifice by changing thermostat format. I assume this is a zone system. So the EIM works as a conductor and interprets all this data.
Terminals used in the EIM are as follows: 1, 2, 3, C, R, RHD1, M2W1, W2, Y, Y2, G. No wires are connected to the system monitor, outdoor temp sensor, indoor temp sensor, or discharge air temp sensor terminals.
Okay, so I crossed everything and there is not a full cross that would do everything you need. But of course this is a set system designed to work as a kit/package. Your best recourse, if you do not want existing model, is to circumvent the EIM and certain features and use the system as a traditional system. I apologize, but the $400 units are the only ones that will actually operate with this EIM.
Thanks. Sounds like this will be above my skill set.
In the event you choose to try this, let me know and I will direct. If all set, just rate service to close.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.